Today's race day replay is brought to you by Edelbrock. Charge forward.
Beautiful piece of machinery there for Steve Robinson. Disregard the red light, start. There goes the Camaro for Charlie Elmer. Emler, 451, 135.
Oh, 55, big crash down on the bottom end. Big crash for the 55 down there on the top end.
Once again, we are in a holding pattern. Our safety crew will respond, take the top end of the racetrack, and as soon as we get...
It's all about feel. And this car, I love this car, but not when it hesitates. So I was looking for better performance. That's why I went with an Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor. No hesitation. The Edelbrock warranty. Great throttle response. Now when I punch it, it moves. Edelbrock, charge forward.